Oh, hearing none.
Sino yung lady that you asked the former a while ago, Mr. Chair, who became the incorporator of the what do you call that?
Lucky South 99,
Lucky South
Outsourcing
99.
Incorporated.
May I would like to ask a question to her, Mr. Chair.
Si Miss Baterna, Ronaldine Baterna.
Pangalan? Miss Paterna. Hindi po ba kayo pinressure na maging member na maging incorporator? Yung po ba ay ayon sa inyong kalooban o pinressure kayo? Sapagkat kanina binanggit ninyo wala kayong alam eh.
Wala po talaga akong alam kasi yung instruction po sa akin, parang dagdag lang po talaga siya sa trabaho ko po na magpipirma lang daw po.
Therefore, Mr. Chair, kung yan dagdag niyo, hindi po dagdag na responsibility niyo maging incorporator. Eh. So, kung hindi mo alam yan, ibig sabihin, inaamin mo sa committee ito, you were pressured to be a part of the corporation. Pinressure kayo. Aminin nyo na po dito na you were pressured.
Hindi naman po.
Ayon sa
Kasi po yung instruction po sa akin talaga
That's what I'm saying, Mr. Chair, no? Ina-instruction sa inyo. Ibig sabihin, na-pressure kayo sa instruction sa inyo. Tama ho, mali, Mr. Chair. Yun ang empleyado kayo dun eh. Empleyado kayo. Oh. Hindi ba parang hindi tama na empleyado ka lang, magiging member ka ng korporasyon. Oh, kayo ay empleyadong sumisweldo and you were instructed. Therefore, Mr. Chair, kung magsasabi kang totoo ngayon, alright, yung instruction sa'yo, na-pressure ka na maging incorporator ng anong company yun? Lucky South. Na-pressure ka sa instruction. Correct. Tama. Bakit mali?
wala naman pong pag-pressure na ginawa sa akin.
Deb, you were instructed. You were instructed. Ibig sabihin, doon sa instruction, sumunod ka. Correct?
Opo.
Sumunod ka. Am I right? Pakisagot po. Pakisagot na.
Apa.
Yan. Therefore, kung sumunod ka sa instruction, na-pressure ka.
Congressman Abante, I think Ronaldine Baterna brought along with her lawyers.
Opo.
Meron kang lawyer, di ba?
Opo.
Wow.
But of course,
Sige,
Mr. Chair.
wait, Congressman Abante, with all due respect, ano? So, sino mga lawyers na kasama po ninyo?
NFC Morales Law Firm po.
Ano po?
NFC Morales.
Andyan po ba sila?
Opo.
So, sino nagbayad po ng lawyer ninyo?
Kasama ko po si Attorney Josel Velasco.
Sino po?
Josel Velasco.
Sino po nagbayad ng lawyer ninyo? Kayo po? Ikaw pa? Ikaw ba nagbayad?
Hindi.
Sino yung bayad?
Pwede ka po bang itanong?
Hindi, tinatanong ko lang kung sino nagbayad ng lawyer mo kasi may kasama kang lawyer. Sino nagbayad ng lawyer mo?
Kinontract ko lang po.
Kinontak mo lang? Walang bayad dyan?
Wala.
Wala? Okay, lawyer. Sige. Tingnan natin kung sino lawyer.
Sino po yung lawyer?
Asan yung lawyer ninyo? Yan yung sinasabi ko dito, pare. Oo. Can you kindly sit beside the Ronaldine Baterna?
Good afternoon.
Can you please state your name?
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. I am Attorney Josel S. Velasco from NFC Miralias Law Office, Your Honor. Mr. Chair.
Anong firm po kayo? Anong firm? Law firm?
NFC Miralias Law Office.
Sino pong nag-hire sa inyo?
As
Are you
far,
under, did you take your oath?
No, not yet.
Can you please stand up and we'll consider her as our resource speaker as well?
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this investigation? Thank you. Please take your seat.
Okay, sa attorney. So, sino po nag-hire sa inyo?
Mr. Chair, as far as my knowledge in this case, Your Honor, it is Lucky South.
Lucky South,
Yes.
99 na
Yes, Mr.
sabi kasi ni Baterna, ni Miss Baterna, kinontak lang daw kayo. So, sino kumontak sa inyo? Lucky South 99 o si Miss Baterna?
Mr. Chair, I am only a junior associate of the law firm, Your Honor. So, as far as that matter is concerned, Your Honor, it is...
Pero Lucky South po ang nag-contact sa inyo.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, ang ibig sabihin, sinungaling si Baterna? Kasi sabi niya, kinontak ka niya eh. Kinontak ka ba niya?
Your Honor, we were in communication with Miss Baternan.
So, siya ang kumontak sa inyo?
We were in
Siya ba yung kumontak o other people from the Lucky South 99? Siya ba o others?
I am not privy, Mr. Chair, to who, kung sino po
Di ba
ang first
you will be representing the Lucky South 99. And you must know the details about your representation. And I think it is incumbent upon you to know all the details. It's like going to the battle without ammunition. Attorney, I'm not an abogado, pero ako, kapag humaharap ako sa gera, I'm full of bala, di ba? You should also, di ba? So, simple lang naman yung tanong namin eh, di ba?
Yes.
O sino
yes,
yung
Mr.
kausap niyo po sa Lucky South 99? Can you kindly ask your boss? I'll give you time. You call and ask sino ang kausap niyo sa Lucky South 99. Okay?
May I,
And
Mr. Chair?
we'll be going back to you. Sige, Congressman Abante, in a while, we'll be going back to the attorney para at least malaman po natin kung sino kumontak. Kasi, it's klaro dito na medyo, Ronaldin Baterna, I think you are lying.
Ituloy ko lang.
You are lying. Kaya, mamaya, sabihin mo na yung nalalaman mo because this will help you a lot. Sige, Congressman
Sige, tuloy ko lang.
Abante.
Ano po yung position ninyo when you were receiving 17,000 a month?
Receptionist po.
Okay,
Under admin.
receptionist ka. Alright? At ikaw ay ang iyong natapos associate, no? 2 years lang.
Opo.
Alright. Nung ikaw ay binigyan ng 23,000 a month, ano ang position nyo yan?
Sabi lang po maging corporate secretary. Tapos,
Ano yon?
Yung corporate secretary nga daw po na magsasign lang po ng mga papers.
So, ibig sabihin, yung 23,000 pesos a month na tinatanggap mo, ang iyong position is corporate secretary ng korporasyon. Yun po ba?
Admin pa rin, under admin pa rin po ako.
Dali lang, hindi mo ko sinasagot ang maayos eh. Alright. Sabi mo kanina, Mr. Chair, ikaw ay naging corporate secretary at dahil dyan, itinaas ang sweldo mo ng 23,000. Tama?
Opo.
Therefore, kung corporate secretary ka, hindi ka lang sa admin. Ikaw ay corporate secretary ng korporasyon. Tama, mali?
Opo.
Okay. Yung ba, alam mo o hindi mo alam?
Hindi po.
O see? Ibig sabihin, Mr. Chair, kung hindi mo alam yan, na-pressure ka. Pinressure ka, na-pressure ka. Mr. Chair. Sagutin mo lang kung tama o mali. Na-pressure ka.
Hindi.
Tama.
Hindi po.
Teka. Alam mo, under oath
Wala.
ka, di ba? You're under oath.
Opo.
You're under oath. Alam niyo bang ibig sabihin ng under oath?
Opo.
Na magsasabi ka ng totoo. Alright. Now, sa akin, Mr. Chair, hindi ka nagsasabi ng totoo sapagkat, ikaw ay na-promote bilang corporate secretary ng korporasyon, hindi ng admin. Hindi mo alam. Therefore, kung hindi mo alam, ginawa kang corporate secretary ng korporasyon na hindi mo alam, ay ibig sabihin na pressure ka.
Hindi naman po. Kasi nga po yung instruction po sa akin is parang dagdag trabaho lang na ang pagkakaalam ko po is parang clerical work lang po siya na magsasign po ng mga paper.
Mr. Chair, I think that Miss Paterna is even confused on her position, and that I believe she was pressured and that she is not actually answering right. I do not know if her lawyer was the one that told her that. Anyway, I would like
And for
to...
your information also, Congressman Benny Abante, that the same law firm ano na naging lawyer ni Baterna, ni Ms. Baterna is also the one who filed a motion to quash the search warrant na isinerve po sa PORAC. So, sila rin po yung NFC law firm, Mirales Law Office. And a while ago, we're asking yung si attorney, siguro you can ask the question, Chairman Abante, about kung sino doon sa Lucky South 99 ang kumontak sa kanila. We have to find out kung sino talaga yung kumontak.
gusto ko lang pong sabihin kay Mr. Paterna, Mr. Chair, na hindi niya kinakailangan kabahan dito o matakot. Ang nais lang natin, malaman ang katotohanan. Yun lang nais natin malaman ng katotohanan. So, Miss Paterna, okay, nabanggit mo kanina, ikaw ang kumontak, pero sinabi ng abogado, hindi ikaw. Ang talagang iyan ay abogado ng, anong company, nakakalimutan ko eh. Lucky South. Sila ay abogado ng Lucky South. Therefore, hindi ikaw ang kumontak, kundi ang kumontak noon ay yung officers ng Lucky South. Am I right?
Hindi ko po alam.
Hindi mo alam.
Miss Ronaldine Baterna, again, alam mo, baka we will be forced to cite you in contempt, kasi kanina nagsinungaling ka na sinabi mo na ikaw ang kumontak, But unfortunately, the line of questioning of Congressman Abante leads to something, pero you're refusing to answer. And alam mo, kung bago ka lamang dyan, we will be considerate. Kasi 5 taong ka na dyan eh. Like for example, to sila Julian Linsangan, Edwin Siang, Marion Ryan Chua. Bago lang po ba kayo o nagtatrabaho din kayo sa kanilang kumpanya, sa other companies?
Mr. Chair, wala po kaming alam doon sa ibang companies and even,
Wala kayong connection sa mga companies na to?
wala po, Mr. Chair.
Sige, so identity theft yung kanila. Well, si Julian Lansangan, si Edwin Siang, si Marion Ryan Chua, kasi sila yung mga bagong incorporators ng Lucky South 99 Corporation. Kasi you have to understand that yung Whirlwind, yun yung sa real estate, yung nagpapagawa ng development. Pero pagdating sa pagkuha ng lisensya sa PAGCOR, ang ginamit po na nilang una ay Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated. And then nag-file sila ng articles of incorporation na citing all the amendments. At ang pinalit nila sa Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated ay Lucky South 99 Corporation. So, yun na po yung bagong pangalan. Kasi nga, hindi na-aprubahan sa PAGCOR yung Lucky South 99 Outsourcing. Kaya ang ginawa po nila, nag-file sila ng amendment at binago nila yung mga incorporators. At doon pumasok sila Julia, sila Linsangan. Doon kayo pumasok sa Lucky South 99 Corporation. Am I correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Actually, Mr. Chair, nag-file na po kami ng case sa Makati against
Then
Lucky South.
tinatanong ko kung doon po kayo kasama sa Lucky South 99 Corporation.
Yes, Mr. Chair, in papers po. Doon po.
Di ba? Doon kayo kasama. And before that, Lucky South 99 Corporation, yung outsourcing. Yung outsourcing na Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated, doon kasama si Cassandra Leong. Siya ang incorporator doon at nung binago to sa amendment, tinanggal na si Cassandra Leong at siya na ang naging representante at ng Whirlwind Corporation. In other words, talagang makikita mo na yung kanilang mga corporations are intertwined as well. Na meron lang ginamit na mga incorporators na mga bogus. Bogus sila eh. Hindi sila kasama doon sa original eh. Pero to si Ronaldin Baterna, kasama siya mula una hanggang huli. Hanggang ngayon, kasama ka, Ronaldin Baterna. Kasama
Mr.
ka
Chair.
sa Outsourcing Incorporated ng Lucky South 99. Kasama ka sa Lucky South 99 Corporation when it was amended.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
gusto lang i-establish dito. Alam mo, Miss Paterna, naawa ako sa iyo kasi hindi mo alam eh. Marami kang hindi alam. Ibig sabihin, ibahin ko yung question ko. Ibig sabihin, nagamit ka. Tama o mali? Hindi mo alam eh. Nagamit ka, correct? Tama o mali?
Hindi ko... Hindi. Normal na
Ano po yun?
empleyado.
Ano po yun?
Normal na empleyado lang po talaga ako sa Lucky South.
Well,
So parang
look,
wala po akong alam sa mga ano po nila, sa mga pinaggagawa po.
Ang korporasyon po na kinabibilangan ng mga foreigners, ang 60% po niyan dapat Pilipino. Ang 40% dapat foreigners. So ilan po ang share ninyo? Ilan ang share ninyo sa korporasyon na yan?
Wala po.
So corporate secretary ka, incorporator ka, pero wala kang share, correct?
Wala po.
Sino ang may hawak ng 60% share?
Hindi ko po alam.
Sino ang ibang Pilipinong incorporator dyan?
Hindi ko po sila kilala, sir.
Chair, may establish dito, hindi niya alam kung sino yung mga Pilipino incorporator at hindi niya alam dapat ang korporasyon sa Pilipinas merong 60% share ng Pilipino, 40% ang share ng foreigner. Sino po yung foreigner na merong share dyan na incorporator?
Hindi ko po alam, sir.
So hindi mo yun alam kung sino yung Chinese na incorporator dyan.
Hindi po.
Hindi mo kilala kung sino ang presidente at chairman ng korporasyon?
Hindi po.
So, corporate secretary ka, ikaw ang nililista na lahat, ikaw ang nagre-record na lahat, pero hindi mo alam ang pangulo ng korporasyon.
Hindi po. Kasi hindi po ako yung nag-prepare ng
Hindi, kaya
mga
lang, hindi,
papel.
ikaw ang corporate secretary, Mr. Chair. So ito establish natin, hindi mo kilala ang presidente ng korporasyon.
Hindi po.
Hindi mo rin kilala ang chairman ng korporasyon.
Hindi po.
Hindi mo rin kilala ang mga Filipino incorporators.
Hindi rin po.
Mr. Chair, sinasubmit ko sa committee ito ang testimony ni Ms. Paterna na siya po ay ginamit at na-pressure kahit hindi niya inaamin. Si Chair.
Congressman Abante, I think this person is withholding her knowledge about a lot of things. I truly believe on that. Why? Because she's been there for 5 years. 5 taon na sila magkakasama. At kung titignan mo ang mga dokumento, mula nung una na ginawa pa lamang po yung Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated, isa na siya doon. Naging Lucky South 99 group pa yan. Tapos naging corporation. And now, you're denying na wala kang alam. And I believe dito medyo pinaiikot tayo nito. And I'll be holding back yung ating nararamdaman sa ngayon because I believe medyo itong si Ronaldin Baterna being there for the longest time, we don't believe that you don't know the president. You don't know the members. You don't know the other incorporators. You don't know Cassandra Ong.
Cassandra Ong, kilala ko po siya.
Gaano mo na siya katagal kasama?
Nakikita ko lang po siya, sir, kasi, di ba?
Nakakita mo siya, nakakausap?
Hindi po.
Hindi mo siya nakakausap for 5 years?
Hindi po.
Alam mo, nagsisinungaling talaga tong batang to eh.
Mr. Chair,
And I believe that May kalalagyan ka rito, Baterna. Maniwala ka sa akin because you've been there for so many years.
Mr. Chair,
Alam namin na meron kang alam. So be honest.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman Abante.
I would disagree with you on holding back. I'd like to make a motion that we put Ms. Paterna in contempt of this committee until such time that she tells us the truth about the corporation. So I move, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman.
Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Anyway, Ms. Paterna, may motion na po. Naintindihan mo ba yung contempt motion ni Chairman Abante? Do you understand? Alam mo po ba yon?
Hindi po.
Ito, kasi Ms. Paterna, as far as I understand, pag sinight ka ng contempt dito sa House, you will be detained. No? Ngayon, yung contempt is part of our internal rules, Section 11 of our internal rules. At alam mo ba yung violation mo?
Hindi po.
O your violation is paragraph C of our internal rules, Section 11, paragraph C, refusal to answer important questions from the members of this committee. In short, you are lying.
Pasensya na po kayo. First time ko po kasi parang kinakabahan po ako.
Hindi,
Tsaka hindi
kaya
po
nga,
ako
kaya nga
sanay.
in-explain ko sa iyo so you now understand the consequences of your refusal to answer pertinent questions. Kasi, sandali po, Mr. Chairman, who's the lady?
No. She's
Beside.
the lawyer. Attorney.
Sandali po.
Please don't whisper to the resource speaker.
Sandali po.
Let her
Sandali.
answer, okay? On her own. Okay? Unless the members of this committee allow you to say something to your
Mr. Chair, I would withhold the motion if right now Ms. Paterna will tell the truth.
siguro Dennis Cunanan, andyan si Dennis Cunanan Dennis Cunanan, you've been in the Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated.
Sandali po,
also.
Mr. Chairman, di pa ako tapos eh.
The chairman can interject.
No,
Okay.
I am just...
Yes, I recognize you.
I do not want to
Yes,
hear...
Congressman Paduano.
Mr. With due respect, hindi pa po ako tapos because I have to ask first Miss Baterna if indeed she understands the
Okay.
contempt motion.
Okay, because of you give
And
some...
now you're-
Wait, Congressman Paduano. Let the chairman acknowledge you again or recognize you before you speak. Para medyo tayo may order, no? So, the good chairman of Committee on Public Accounts asked some question. So, can you please reply?
Ito tanong mo na diretso. Miss Baterna,
Yes po.
o ngayon, sinabi ko na lahat-lahat. Gusto mo tagalogin natin? Naintindihan mo ba yung sinabi ko kanina? Yung contempt order o
Opo.
motion? Naintindihan mo na? Na ikukulong ka dito sa house. Naintindihan mo ba? Naintindihan mo ba?
Opo.
O tapos, ang violation mo is yung hindi pagsagot ng tama sa mga tanong ng mga kasapi ng committee ito. Intindihan mo?
Opo.
Please.
Yes po.
Okay. O, yun yung consequences. Now, do you want to answer the queries truthfully?
Yes po.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, so in relation to your motion, Congressman Abante, but put in hold, may I ask Dennis Cunanan? Mr. Dennis Cunanan, you've been in the Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated. You were one of those who have started this corporation. Am I right?
I didn't start the corporation, Your Honors, but we were
But
the
you
ones
were
who
a part.
assisted. Yes,
Kasi
we
kung titingnan
assisted
ko
them.
yung organizational chart, kasama ka doon as a
Communications nilagay nila, sir, so
yes,
communications.
yes,
So they can,
you are a the
communications,
corporate communication and government relations.
Yes, sir.
And during that time that you were a official of the organization or the corporation, you have encountered si Baterina. Am
Yes,
I
Your
correct?
Honors. Yes, Your Honor.
So, ano ang relasyon nyo? I mean, what is your working relationship? I mean, the working relationship, not the personal relationship.
I don't relate with her, sir, but she's always there whenever we are there because she's in charge of there's a facility there where they meet all their guests and people dun sa May Tai Court. So siya po yung in charge doon. Siya yung nandun.
So, in other words, she's working as a real corporate secretary.
For that, I'm not really sure of that, Your Honor, but I know she works there because she's there.
At kasama-sama niya doon sila Cassandra Ong.
Yes, Your Honor.
Man.
Sige, go ahead, Congressman. Paduan.
Anyway, this is a short question. Anyway, tinanong mo na si Dennis Cunanan. Dennis, sir, now you know talaga yung Miss Paterna, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. When was the time that you know the person, Miss Paterna?
When they first asked me to go into that
Year na lang po, year na lang.
2019, Your Honor.
Oh, 2019, Miss Paterna. Kilala mo po si Dennis Cunanan.
Nakikita ko po si Sir Dennis.
Oh, nakikita mo.
Opo.
Oh, pero Dennis, that time, di ba, si Miss Paterna is associated not with Lucky South 99, but with Whirlwind.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Miss Paterna, do you confirm dating Whirlwind ka?
Ang alam ko po, Whirlwind yung dati, tas parang ang pagkakalam ko po, naglipat lang po. Parang naging Lucky South.
Hindi, Miss Paterna, you first sign a document doon sa lease agreement na pinakita kanina ni Congressman Adyong, representing Whirlwind. Sa kabila, Cassandra Ong. Tapos, yung bagong amended lease contract, ikaw na yung nandun sa Lucky South 999. Tapos si Cassandra Ong, nandun po sa Whirlwind.
Lucky South lang po yung natatandaan kong pinipirma.
Oh, now you're lying again. Mr. Chairman, with that, I move to cite in contempt for violation of Section 11, Paragraph C.
Mr. Chair,
Refusal to answer pertinent question or lying, Mr. Chairman.
Mr.
So move,
Chair.
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Abante, you are recognized.
I'm still on with my interpellation. Before we act on the motion of Chairman Paduano, I would like to ask again, Ms. Paterna, kung ngayon naniniwala siya na ginamit lamang siya ng korporasyon. Will you answer, please?
Siguro po.
Hindi siguro. Kung ginamit ka ngayon, nakikita mo na di ba? Nakita mo na, no? Hindi ka naman bobo matalino ka So tinatanong kita, kung ngayon na-realize mo na ginamit ka ng korporasyon.
Opo.
Yan, okay. Mr. Chair, I'd like to manifest that Ms. Paterna has finally admitted that ginamit lamang siya ng korporasyon. Does Mr. Dennis Cunanan agree with that?
I suppose so, Your Honors, because of her
No, you're
representation.
not supposed to. You
Yes.
better tell me
Yes, Your
right
Honors.
now.
Yes, Your Honors.
Yes, okay. So therefore, Mr. Chair, I also have to manifest that Mr. Cunanan also said that he agrees with Ms. Paterna, admitting that Ms. Paterna ginamit lamang siya ng korporasyon. So,